Election expenditure monitoring. Role of bank. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the role of bank in an election, know the cash withdrawal monitoring mechanism by the bank in the poll-bound states, interpret ECI's instructions regarding cash deposit withdrawal from the bank, understand the SOP for transporting cash by ATM vans, monitoring of cash withdrawal from banks. All the banks to submit daily reports on suspicious withdrawal of cash from the bank account of any individual person during election process. Unusual and suspicious cash withdrawal or deposit of cash in a bank account exceeding rupees 1 lakh during the election process without any such extent of deposit or withdrawal during the last 2 months. Unusual transfer of amount by RTGS from one bank account to the bank accounts of several persons in a district or constituency during the election process without any precedent of such transfer. Any deposit of cash or withdrawal of cash exceeding rupees 1 lakh from bank account of candidate or spouse or his dependents as mentioned in the affidavit filed by the candidates, which is available in CO's website. Banks can also get such details from DO's or RO's office. Any withdrawal of cash exceeding rupees 10 lakh will be reported to the DO. The same shall be passed on by the DO to the IT officials for taking necessary steps under the income tax laws. Monitoring of chest of banks. Information about treasury chests which show a 20% or more increase in demand for currency in the 6 months leading up to announcement of elections shall be given to the DO. Monitoring of online digital transactions. Unusually high number of online digital transactions from a few to many accounts, mostly of small denominations, starting witnessed by bank 6 months before probable date of poll shall be given to the DO. Monitoring of cash deposit or withdrawal from bank account of political party. Any withdrawal of cash and deposit of cash exceeding rupees 1 lakh in the account of the political party during the election process. Any other suspicious cash transactions which might be used for bribing the electors. Separate bank accounts for the candidates. All banks or post offices to ensure that they open dedicated counters for election purpose to facilitate prompt service to the candidates in the opening of the bank accounts. They should also allow withdrawals and deposits from the said account on priority during the election period. SOP for transporting cash by ATM vans. The bank shall ensure that the cash vans of outsourced agencies companies carrying the bank's cash shall not, under any circumstances, carry cash of any third party or agencies except the banks. The outsourced agencies companies shall carry letters or documents etc. issued by the banks giving details of the cash released by the banks to them and carried by them for filling the ATMs and delivering cash at other branches, banks or currency chests. The personnel of the outsourced agencies or companies accompanying cash van shall carry identity cards issued by the respective agencies. In this education video, we have learned about the role of bank in election expenditure monitoring. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.